Quality of service and service level agreements management in Edge Cloud. In the context of optimizing resource management in the Edge Cloud environment, quality of service and service level agreements management play an important role. Quality of service refers to the overall performance of a service, while service level agreements define the terms and conditions under which the service is provided, including specific levels of quality of service that need to be met. This part of the course delves into quality of service and service level agreements management in the Edge Cloud and explores various techniques and strategies for efficient resource allocation and meeting service level agreements requirements. Understanding quality of service in Edge Cloud. Quality of service in Edge Cloud refers to the capability of the system to meet predetermined service performance requirements. It encompasses several metrics such as latency, throughput, reliability, availability, and security. The Edge Cloud environment demands a strong quality of service framework to ensure the seamless and uninterrupted delivery of services to end users. Importance of service level agreements management in Edge Cloud. Service level agreements management is vital in the Edge Cloud as it sets the expectations and obligations between the service provider and the consumer. It defines the desired quality of service levels, penalties for non-compliance, and remedies in case of service level agreements violations. Effective service level agreements management guarantees that the defined quality of service requirements are met consistently. Quality of service and service level agreements management techniques in Edge Cloud. Dynamic resource allocation. Dynamic resource allocation ensures that resources are allocated based on real-time demands and changing workload patterns. By continuously monitoring the system, resources can be dynamically provisioned or deprovisioned to meet quality of service requirements. Intelligent resource allocation algorithms and machine learning techniques can optimize resource usage and enhance quality of service. Traffic shaping and prioritization. Traffic shaping techniques regulate the flow of traffic to manage bandwidth allocation effectively. Prioritization assigns higher priority to critical services and ensures that they receive the necessary resources, ensuring a high quality of service for these services. Fault tolerance and redundancy. Fault tolerance mechanisms ensure that service availability is not compromised in case of failures or disruptions. Redundancy techniques such as replication or backup services guarantee uninterrupted service delivery, even during hardware or network failures. Service level agreements monitoring and enforcement. Service level agreements monitoring involves tracking and analyzing performance metrics to ensure that the service provider meets the agreed-upon SLA terms. Automated monitoring tools play a crucial role in collecting data and alerting stakeholders when service level agreements violations occur. Service level agreements enforcement mechanisms can help in ensuring that penalties and remedies are applied in case of service level agreements breaches. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics leverages historical data and machine learning algorithms to anticipate future resource demands and optimize resource allocation accordingly. Based on the prediction of workload patterns in advance, service providers can ensure that quality of service levels and service level agreements requirements are consistently met. Challenges in Qos and service level agreements management in Edge Cloud. Heterogeneity. The Edge Cloud environment comprises a wide range of heterogeneous devices and infrastructure, making resource management and Qos provisioning complex. Mobility and dynamic workloads. Edge devices and users' mobility introduce dynamic workload fluctuations, requiring adaptive resource allocation techniques. Network constraints. Limited network bandwidth and latency in the Edge Cloud environment pose challenges in meeting Qos requirements and enforcing service level agreements. Security and privacy. Ensuring Qos and meeting service level agreements requirements while maintaining security and privacy remains a significant challenge in the Edge Cloud. In conclusion, quality of service and service level agreements management are essential aspects of optimizing resource management in the Edge Cloud environment. Dynamic resource allocation, traffic shaping, fault tolerance, SLA monitoring, and predictive analytics are vital techniques for managing Qos and meeting SLA requirements. However, challenges like heterogeneity, mobility, network constraints, and security must be addressed to ensure efficient quality of service and service-level agreements management in the evolving edge cloud landscape.